Welcome to Grackle GO, the online PDF accessibility validator. Grackle GO is a free-to-use, browser-based platform designed to see if your documents meet the rigorous PDF ISO standards, commonly known as PDF UA. Grackle GO delivers unparalleled access by offering comprehensive PDF UA checks, ensuring that your documents meet global accessibility standards. Every PDF is thoroughly evaluated for all machine-testable checkpoints, so nothing is left to chance. Simply upload your PDF via the Grackle dashboard and let Grackle GO take the strain. Once your PDF has been evaluated, you can easily document and share the results. Grackle GO's printable accessibility detail report gives you a concise, clear snapshot of your PDF's compliance status. Now you can show your accessibility efforts with confidence. What sets Grackle GO apart? It's incredibly easy to use and works across all devices. No software installation required. Whether you're on a PC, Mac, Chromebook, or even a tablet, Grackle GO works seamlessly in your browser anytime, anywhere. And all of this is free. Grackle GO is the ultimate solution for ensuring your PDFs are accessible and compliant. It's fast, flexible, and fits into any workflow. So why wait? Experience the future of PDF accessibility with Grackle GO.